Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So this one is a voice over. And the place you are seeing in front of your eyes, this is médiathèque in Lannion in Bretagne. It's in the region of Côte d'Armor, and this one used to be a nunnery or something. Used to be a religious nun establishment, and it's a convent. I do not know exactly the religious name of it, but it's been there. It's a historical building, has been there for hundreds of years, and it's built on granite rock. In Bretagne, there is, in Brittany, France, it is famous that they have a granite. A lot of house is built with granite. And this one, they renovated and they reused it and made it into a library. Every time, every year, I go there. Whenever I go to Bretagne, whenever I go to this area, I will spend some time there. And it just makes me feel home, makes me feel that I find something that is coming back to my root. And right now I am doing this voiceover in my neighbor city's library. Not library, it's a community center. This city has built a new community center. So this city has built a new community center. And a few days ago, or few months ago, I came here and I was very surprised. It's clean, very well maintained, with fast internet. I remember when our city in San Francisco Bay Area, there was a storm a couple of years ago, and it's actually during the COVID, and we could not go to work, and the electricity stopped, so we used this place as a place to keep on working. My family came here, I came here, so that's how I get to know this place. And it's just wonderful to have these public facilities. And I checked with them. The architectural design is beautiful, and it leads me to visit several other libraries and community centers that architecturally designed by the same design firm. And also, this place is very spacious. I checked if I can use this place. Since I am not the resident of this city, I am using my neighboring city. And the city's rule, the employee of the city said, you can rent it. You do not have to be a resident here. And it's free for some study room, or you can go to the center just to use their community center, use the big open lobby. So I went to the lobby, and there were one couple of two ladies. They were doing some study, doing some chat. So I came out and I found my best voiceover facility. Nothing better than this. Can you imagine? I do not need a microphone. I am talking directly to my cell phone, use iMovie to do the voiceover. And this facility is soundproof, wind-proof, noise-proof, warm, cozy, comfortable, adjustable. The seat is adjustable. I think you can guess what it is, right? I am in my own car. Yeah, okay, come back to traveling. Whenever I travel, when I see a library, I try to make an effort to go. If I am with family, I will not go there. It's kind of a party pooper. Everyone wants to go to, if family already have a plan and you go to library, it's kind of a party pooper, right? A PP. So if I am by myself, if I get a chance, I go to the library. And the library in France, there is one thing a little bit different from the library here in California, in other places. A lot of the libraries are using the ancient facilities, the old facilities. Could be an old castle, could be an old palace, could be an old church, and some old gathering place. It's very historical, and they renovate it and make it usable for modern days with fast internet. And this particular one has really a very fast internet. Sometimes when I travel, I do not have a fast internet connection, but this one is. So I sometimes save my video and do the upload when I come here. And this place, another thing about French libraries, usually you need to have an account to get internet access. And if you do not have an account, then you just there is no open internet for people who just pass by. So if you are living there, of course it is easy. You can get a library card, or even not get a library card and make an account there. But for me who travel, usually in many libraries, I cannot access their internet. And this one, because I go there often, I have already established. So it's easier. So another thing about word of caution, if you go to public place, public library, for charging your battery, for taking a break, or just to go to restroom, have a cup of coffee. Usually in France, the library has a coffee bar. If no coffee bar, if a small library, there is usually a coffee vending machine. You can buy a cup of coffee, and that was something that touched my heart. I studied French in France some 30 years ago, 25 years ago, and I was a poor student at that time, so I very often use this coffee facility. I think it's 1 franc or something like 20 cents or something. You get a cup of coffee, and I use it often. And even now, I feel this is one of the better value in having a cup of coffee. Imagine you spend $5, $6 for a cup of coffee, but I just need something hot. That is sufficient, good enough. Anyway, that's my a little bit of the library here, and I just feel very happy, very warm in my own car. Okay, thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo, bye, bye.